For using the garage door may weaken money opportunities. In traditional Feng Shui, the front door is the mouth of qi. It is where opportunity, support, and wealth energy should enter. But if the garage is your daily entrance, qi may enter through storage, tools, trash bins, and car energy instead of a welcoming door. Check 3 things first. First, is your front door inactive? If you rarely open it, the main mouth of qi goes quiet. Open it daily and keep the mat and path clean. Second, what do you see from the garage entry? If it is boxes, shoes, recycling, or broken items, that becomes the first money signal. Clear a 3-foot path into the home. Third, is there a clean transition point? Place 1 mat, 1 warm light, and 1 closed cabinet near the inner garage door. Keep tools, trash, and chemicals away from it. Fix this first. Keep the front door active, clean the garage entry, and separate storage energy from money opportunity. Comment wealth to strengthen that intention. Then tap the profile link to check your home's wealth leaks in the 2026 Wealth Feng Shui Toolkit.